he delivered a memorable set at Reggae Sumfest. Romain Virgo tapping into lyrics about bleaching and child abuse to connect with his audience.
Hey, it's the melanin. Ooh, yeah. I love your everything.
Love yourself just the way you are.
Romain Virgo known for love songs, but also tackling hot-button topics. Skin lightening, a cultural phenomenon popularized by some DJs, dissed by others. Color, a preoccupation in Jamaica.
I remember when I wrote a song back in 2010 called Dark Skin Girl. A whole heap of people used to say, Romain, how you sing a song about dark skin girl and you there with a brown girl?
They don't got a thing on you.
Romain's Melanin, a tuneful addition to the bleaching story.
You are beautiful to me. Oh, baby. You better love yourself.
What was it important for you to try and get across?
Yeah, I think our people, especially our females, they've been going through their struggles. And when I say our people, I don't just mean our people here in Jamaica, but people around the world, people with color. Sometimes I feel like if you have a lighter shade or if you're too dark or whatever, there's a little bit of problem there. So some people would say, yo, I'm singing this song about browning, or I'm singing this song about blackening, but and I didn't want that confusion with the music.
They don't got a thing on you.
Melanin in Romain's set at Reggae Sumfest. Also another song, perhaps more topical and disturbing, about child abuse.
Me say no make them take advantage of you.
Dirty Man is really and truly defending our children, standing up for them, and telling the people who should be taking care of them, say, yo, leave them alone, protect them, and help to grow them and nurture them. And I saw this young lady on the internet singing that same song. It was unreleased. And she went on my Instagram page to learn every single word for the song, and then she posted it on her page.
Which led to an invitation to the youngster to perform alongside Romain at Catherine Hall.
And you dirty man, leave the people in
Everybody's talking about it now. Everybody. Like that's a moment that people really and truly remember from my performance when I brought young Tisha on stage. Before we went to Sumfest, we were saying that if this kind of message, coming from somebody like Tisha, this message don't really and truly touch people, then Jamaica is in serious problems, because if we can jump for as you mentioned, the gun songs and all of these songs, and we aren't moved by something that is affecting us and especially our children, then we're in some serious problems. And I feel like, she did justice, and I just believe that this song will really and truly help to heal some of the pain that some of the families.
And you made our dream come true.
And I think so. And I think we have some more to do because we're planning to do. We're in the process basically of shooting